A new Wordle puzzle is online. Click on the link to play.
Listening to the following video may give you clues. Please like and share the videos.
Advocate defending suspects in Senzo Meyiwa case arrested in court. Dan Masalisa Tefo is defending 4 suspects in the murder of Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa. It is not clear why Tefo was arrested, but it could be linked to his arrest last year.
He was arrested twice within 2 weeks in November last year on charges of contempt of court. The charges were related to his failure to appear in court.
The police let him go after he paid bail. Tefo was swooped by police on Thursday at the Pretoria High Court.
She was accused of assault and trespass. Police took her to the Hillbrow police station.
She was due to appear in court on Friday. The arrest of Tefo did not affect the trial of the other suspects in the murder of the Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa.
It was adjourned until May 30. On Tuesday, South African forensics expert Thabo Johannes Mosia testified that he found a walking stick and a hat in the home of a suspect.
Several hours later, the forensics unit arrived and began searching the house. Tefo's absence from court, and the subsequent judicial proceedings, has led law enforcement officials to believe that the motives were a factor in the murder of the Bafana goalkeeper.
Tefo said that he didn't know why he was arrested, but Police Minister Bheki Cele wanted to get rid of him. He accused the police of intimidation and questioned the timing of the arrest.
Tefo is defending 4 of the 5 accused men in the murder of the Bafana goalkeeper. Tefo stopped cross-examining a witness.
On Tuesday, Tefo stopped cross-examining hat-wearing suspect number 3 because he said his client's rights were being violated. He said the DNA test that was done on the hat was conclusive, but he didn't have access to the results.
It also seemed to contradict the evidence collected from the crime scene, which included DNA of a woman. Tefo also said the hat that was found in the crime scene contained the DNA of a woman.
But the state's experts' comments were not credible, and he defended his client during the trial. The state's first witness, Sergeant Thabo Mosia, testified that he was responsible for collecting and fast-tracking evidence to a forensic science lab.
During cross-examination, Tefo made several statements that appeared to imply that the state had failed to adequately protect the crime scene. But he continued to charge state witness Thabo Mosia.
The state argued that Mosia had carried out his own investigation, and that there were no survivors on the crime scene when he arrived at the scene after midnight. Mosia is the brother of Longthwala, and he was the victim's lover at the time of her murder.
The trial of Senzo Meyiwa has been ongoing for the past month, and has already shed new light on the case. Tefo had previously stopped cross-examining a state witness Thabo Mosia, who was the first forensic detective on the scene.
The state focused on questions about evidence collection. Tefo said the state was hindering her client's rights by stopping cross-examining a witness in the trial.
The prosecutor told the court that Mosia had been a member of the police for years before he was called to testify. However, the police officer denied that Mosia had tampered with the scene.
The prosecution was still trying to persuade the jury to convict Mosia. The trial ended in a hung jury after a 2-hour deliberation.